Y'all always ask me, girl, like, how come I don't have, like, as much gay male friends or just like that, girl? And all my films gays know, they will be in competition. Like, there was this one film gay boy I was friends with last year, and he was trying to be in competition. Now y'all know, I'm the type of girl, I don't gatekeep over here. If you, like, oh, what lip combo, I got you. If you ask what, like, perfume I got on, oh, I got you. I'm telling you where it's from and how much it's good. Like, no gatekeep over here. And he was always in competition. Like, mind you, there was this one like DL who was talking to me, and then I stopped talking to him, and he was going and he was trying to talk to him and just be like messy and weird. For one, that's girls' code. You don't talk to your best friend ex. That's just no. I don't care if you know. No, that's just no. He's so in competition, and while like there is enough food for everybody to eat. Friends, like, let's go shopping. Let's like grab an ice cream, like cute little girly things. Y'all gays, we want to be in competition so bad. Gay friend, y'all, and that y'all, I do not talk to no other gays because they just be in competition, and we just can't be doing that. Like, no.